What's up, Slay Babes? Christopher J. Rich here, and I am back with a new video. If you want to see how I got this flawless look with this glueless wig, keep watching. The wig I'm wearing today is from Isee Hair. It is a 5x5 closure wig, 26 inches. Right now I'm just unboxing it. So this is the packaging that it came in. And y'all, the packaging is everything. You'll also receive a pink bonnet, some HD wig caps, and eyelashes that I won't be using. So let's get into this wig, y'all. This is the wig straight out of the packaging. They did say it was a 180 density, but it's giving 150. But can we also get into this hairline? Y'all, I didn't have to do anything to this wig. This is how the hairline came, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I'm already obsessed. So this is what the bleach knots look like. I love on this dome cap how it has that C shape for behind the ears, just so that cap won't irritate the back of your ears when you're wearing this wig. This is what the wig looks like on my head. The lace is a tad bit light, but I'm gonna go in and fix that with some lace tint, so don't worry. If you are new to wigs, this wig is very beginner friendly. Look at this hairline, y'all. I literally didn't do anything to this hairline. I just put the wig on. Right here, I did go in with my zigzag scissors from Amazon and just cut a little bit more of the lace off just so I could have a realistic look. I love using these scissors to cut my lace, and I will link them down below for you. Y'all, so I did go ahead and flat iron and press this wig off camera. I thought it was recording, but I didn't hit record, so I am so sorry. But this is what it looks like pressed out and ready to wear. Y'all, I am obsessed with this wig. Now I'm just taking my lace tint from Bold Hold in the shade light brown. I spray it on my makeup brush, and then y'all literally just dab it onto the hairline to get the shade that I want. I do this with all of my lace because I feel like it's just easier to get the complexion that you want because you have the control over the product. Y'all, look at how it's already giving scalp with me just dabbing this lace tint on. This is why I prefer lace tint over makeup when I do my wig installs. Now I'm just going back over the parts that I saw that kind of flashed back, and I'm just dabbing more lace tint onto those parts because I don't want the camera to pick up the lace at all. I really cannot believe that this wig is 100% glueless. Y'all need to run. Look at that. It's giving scalp. Alright, Slay Babes, this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video so much. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more slays like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.